On top inside Edo today, Edo State Government don ready use vigilantes dem, forest and main guards to take Tanda security architecture for the state. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk say Edo State Government ready to work with vigilante, forest guard and rangers to take grow Edo State security architecture. Obaseki talk this one when members of Esan Development Union carry courtesy visit come government house for Benin City. He say him sabi all the katakata wey thief people dey cause for Esan community and plans dey ground to relaunch Edo State Security Trust Fund to grow security for Edo State. Obaseki talk say Edo State government get plans to check the thief people dem matter, and that na to train local vigilante, hunter, forest rangers and main guard wey go dey work with police people dem. We can see governor say na government work to protect the life and property of him citizen, and if the government no fit do am, e don fail be that. He say Edo State government go train the vigilante, hunter and forest guards them with ogbonge training so that them go fit protect people, and that training go dey on top how to use equipment and how to use technology take track informate wey go make crime reduce, and say Edo State government go relaunch Edo State Security Trust Fund before the end of this year 2019. Governor still say him go support their empowerment program wey dey on top agriculture so that them go fit prepare their land. He talk say for Esan, they don clear and prepare 500 hectares of land, and say how which land pass like that, them for still clear am. Governor say them get off-takers for some products like maize, soya beans, rice and cassava, and them get 6 places for Edo State where them for dey plant these crops them. Governor Godwin Obaseki talk say President Muhammadu Buhari don already dey on top light matter for Naija, and e dey collabo with Siemens to bring better light come for Naija people before December. Governor talk say President Muhammadu Buhari recently signed agreement with Siemens to take do better check on top electricity distribution companies. Make dem for check all the katakata wey the electricity distribution companies dey face on top light matter. Governor talk say industry follow Siemens dem sit down talk for New York, and he get ogbonge relationship with them because say na dem na build Azura power plant, and he still dey on top the board of Niger Delta Power Holding Company, and he say he go do him best to make sure say this ogbonge investment e land gidigba, make e for bring better light come for Naija people. President of the union, Dr. Nosa Edeko, come beg Governor Godwin Obaseki say make he help them remove all the katakata wey their community dey face for Fulani herdsmen hand, and he constantly tell governor say the union plan and to remove youths them comot for poverty through agricultural means. Now here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk say them go train vigilante, forest rangers and main guards wey go Tanda better security architecture for Edo State. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey waka come into na so na T Live Media, and I'm carry am come give una. And so they get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Comment, like and follow us on top Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for T Live Media. Una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.